Ever wonder what a trillion-dollar tech company really looks like on the inside? That is NVIDIA's HQ, not a spaceship, not a movie set. A real-life AI-powered think tank where the future is literally being coded. Zoom in, behind that glowing green glass. Engineers and researchers are crafting the brains behind self-driving cars, robot surgeons, and yeah, even video game AIs that can trash you in real time. It's not just chips, it's artificial intelligence on warp speed. The future's not coming. It's being built right here, inside NVIDIA.